And we're going to install a loop on the string, a little bit more precision. So now we can take this and put it in position. And I use something a little bit different. Once I get this level to where I want it to be.
I'm not sure.
Get that right, exact. Pretty darn close right there. Then guys, this is my little trick anyway. I have an arrow that's actually weighted with some brass inserts inside here. And when I do that, I can bring it across to the burger hole. Once I know this is level to start with, bisecting the burger hole exactly where I want it, and then I have a mark. Now there's many different ways to tie a loop. I'm just going to quickly put a mark on it. You can tie your knock sets in there first, or however you want to do it. But quickly, to show this demonstration, what I like to do is again push it right in the center. A little bit more. And that's my mark right there. At that point, I can continue the loop onto the other side. So, off the loop comes. Take that out. Get my loop pliers. And we're ready to go. Still, at that point, perfect.